Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block pop-ups on Chrome. So the first thing you do is from your Chrome browser, you click on the three dots at the top right corner right here, which allows you to customize and control Google Chrome, and then you click on settings, not help, settings, and then over here you have some options open. Click on privacy and security. Now we have some other options. All we need is the site settings, which is the last option, and you scroll down all the way down to pop-ups and redirects under content. So you click on it, and now you click on the second option, which says do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So this means that sites will not be allowed to send you pop-ups which shows you ad, or to use redirects to lead you to websites you may not want to visit. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to block pop-ups on Chrome. Thanks for watching.